Find the similarity metric between two strings. How do I get the probability of a string being similar to another string in Python? I want to get a decimal value like 0.9, meaning 90%, etc., preferably with standard Python and library. For example,
there is a built-in. Using it.
Solution number 1, Python built-in. Use sequence matcher from difflib. Pros, native Python library, no need extra package. Cons, too limited. There are so many other good algorithms for string similarity out there. Example. Solution number 2, Jellyfish library. It's a very good library with good coverage and few issues. It supports Levenshtein distance, Damrau-Levenshtein distance, Jaro distance, Jaro-Winkler distance, match rating approach comparison, Hamming distance. Pros, easy to use, gamut of supported algorithms, tested. Cons, not native library. Example.
I think maybe you are looking for an algorithm describing the distance between strings. Here are some you may refer to. Hamming distance, Levenshtein distance, Damrau-Levenshtein distance, Jaro-Winkler distance.
Vefuzz is a package that implements Levenshtein distance in Python, with some helper functions to help in certain situations where you may want two distinct strings to be considered identical. For example,
이거 유한테 75, 페이지 파시아 subscribe.